Try and get a swarm of bees here. There's inside the wall. That's a bunch of them.
Yeah, a lot of
Yeah. There's a whole lot of them. There's honey. I should have cut a little higher up. Look at me like. Probably got plenty high enough, but that goes right on up. I don't think I broke my stepping though. Yeah. Finding a queen. Without a whole lot of light. Oh, she's hid in there somewhere. There's some cap honey up there. Yeah. And them bees, I never did find the queen. I cleaned that wall out. May got her in there. I don't know. I'll find out. They're what? Yeah. She make them out here.